Precision in Motion, a comprehensive biologics training conference, brought physicians together for a hands-on experience focused on adipose harvesting, bone marrow aspiration, nerve hydrodissection, spinal injections, and ultrasound-guided techniques. Throughout the course, attendees explored regenerative medicine through lectures, ultrasound training, laboratory processing demonstrations, and cadaver lab workshops. They observed sample preparation, biologic processing workflows, and equipment-based lab procedures as part of the hands-on training experience. Physicians also observed practical procedures involving the spine, shoulder, neck, and knee, helping translate biologic science into real-world clinical practice.
It's a great event, and it's a great opportunity for others who really want to learn and kind of immerse themselves into the world of regenerative medicine.
I'm here to learn a lot, and I'm happy that so far the experience has been great.
The hands-on application with the cadavers is excellent, and how to remove the tissue that we're going to be using. Autologous tissue is pretty exciting. So the speakers are great, and I'm excited to get back in there.
The instructors that they've brought in are world-renowned, and they're actually one-on-one with us with live patients. And we've had the opportunity to do injections and be trained directly by them with hands-on care. It's been an excellent conference, and I look forward to being back and doing that again, and also for the future, learning more and applying new techniques.
As part of the conference experience, attendees also enjoyed a cocktail networking event, creating an opportunity to connect, share insights, and build relationships beyond the classroom. We look forward to our next conference. Stay tuned!
Precision